There are three ways to get out of Outland and get to Ogrimmar. In my opinion, the first and the easiest way, I mean the harder, maybe if you don't have access to the others, yes, will be the easiest. Depends now on the case. If you want to get to the dark portal, then get outside in the Azeroth. You will get here in the Blasted Lands. If you get a taxi, a wind rider from a flight master, then fly all the way to Booty Bay, because in the Booty Bay you can take a boat which will get you to the Barrens in Ratchet right here. Then you have to walk all the way to Ogrimmar. That will be the harder way, I think, but also that will be included in the video. The second way to get out of the Outland, and this is the easiest way, if you find a mage who can create your portal straight to Ogrimmar, and in less than 2 minutes you will end up in Ogrimmar. But this is the case only if you can find a nice mage. Maybe that will work if you find one, and if you bribe him with some gold, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30 gold will do it for the portal. However, let me show you the first way, which will be the harder way. Then we'll move to the second and the third way, and at the end of the video you'll know 3 ways to get out of this cursed land. Okay, we left the Blasted Lands and we enter now the Swamps of Sorrow right here, and we'll have somehow to get into the Duskwood right here. Then from here, if we go into the south, we can get inside the Strangleton Valley. Okay, I'm glad I met some hordes on the road and not some alliance. That would be bad. And we enter the Deadwind Pass, and from here we can get inside Duskwood in almost no time. Okay, it's closer from here. Let's go, let's go. Okay, we entered Duskwood, nice. Now be careful, because here you can meet a lot of alliance, because Elwyn Forest and Stormwind is at the snapping of the fingers. Let's head just into the south, because here is the entrance of Strangleton Valley, so let's head inside to this point. I'm glad he don't want to fight, and from here we just entered Strangleton Valley, and let's head to the Booty Bay really quick as soon as possible. Now the good news for me is I discovered this taxi and this taxi to Booty Bay, so I don't have to walk all that distance down there, so I can take the taxi from here to Booty Bay. If you haven't discovered this yet, you will have to walk all the way into the south to Booty Bay. Let's hurry up, because we have to catch that boat that just arrived right now in the port, because that's the one that will get us to Kalimdor in the Barrens in Ratchet. I will show you on the map slowly when I will be aboard. I don't want to miss that. Now lucky me is that I don't have to walk all the distance, because already I have discovered both flight masters, so let's just get the wind rider to Ogrimmar. That will be much quicker than walking. Nice, good job. We arrived using the first method in Ogrimmar, so let's see which are the other 2 methods. I don't have a mage character on the horde, but here in this zone, right here and right here will be a good zone to find a mage. If you can find a mage in these zones, I don't know where else close can you find it. Maybe here in Shattrath City will be also a high chance of finding him, but you get my point. You find a mage on the horde side. This is the only mage that I have in my account, and you ask him to create one of these, but for Ogrimmar, of course not for Stormwind. Good luck in finding a mage. This is the easiest way in my opinion, but good luck finding one. But let's do not forget that we can find actually a portal to Ogrimmar that doesn't require a mage to be spelled, because you can find that portal at any time to Ogrimmar. Is not despawning, but we have to walk a lot. I mean, we are located right now in Hellfire Peninsula, and Shattrath, if I'm not wrong, and I hope I'm not wrong, is located in Durotar Forest. I think here is Shattrath. I can put my mouse over it and it tells me that Shattrath is here. So let's move to Shattrath and I will show you where you can find the portal. So you guess it, if you don't have a mount to fly all that distance right here, you will have to walk to here. So I will get back to you once I will arrive in Shattrath and show you where you can find the Ogrimmar portal right there, which you can access at any time, luckily. Alright, we arrive in Shattrath City, which is located right here, as I told you, in Durotar Forest, right here. So you will have to get here somehow from Hellfire Peninsula or from wherever location are you. Just get inside here in the middle and let's see, where was the portal to Ogrimmar Silvermoon? There is the portal to Thunderbluff, Ogrimmar and Undercity. Let's just right click on it and we'll be teleported straight to Ogrimmar. So I see only these three ways to get from Outland to the Ogrimmar for the horde. I really hope I help you with this tutorial and I was helpful to you and save you a lot of time. Please have a wonderful day and leave any question if you have any in the comment section. Bye bye.